Alright, so one of the first things that you notice is that if you have an older system and you want to system transfer it, you're going to need a small screwdriver. So, you just unscrew here and here. Alright, so once you have these things unscrewed, then you need to go on these little tabs here and pull up on both sides. Take the stylus out, and then you should be able to pry this back cover off. Just like that. In here is your micro SD, and it comes with a 4 GB. And you're going to want to get a size that matches whatever one you have in your old 3DS. So, in my case, I have an 8 GB in here. You need to make sure that you are connected to the internet, so once you have that going, then you can do the system transfer. So, go ahead and take a micro SD card and format it on your laptop or whatever computer you use. In this case, I'm using a 16 GB. And go ahead and stick it into the back of the system. Go to system settings, other settings. System transfer. Alright, so click OK. Transfer to another 3DS. Agree. Accept. You're going to have to do a system update before you can transfer anything, so go ahead and do that first. Alright, so now that the update is ready, click on the bottom one. Agree, and receive from Nintendo 3DS. And on your system, your old one, you'll go also to the system transfer. Transfer from the system and Nintendo 3DS family. Send from this system. Next. Enter your Nintendo Network ID. You press new 3DS. Okay, now it's time to transfer all of these things. And then you choose your wireless transfer, low capacity, or PC-based transfer. And I am going to go with the PC-based transfer. It's going to be a lot faster. So this one gets formatted once you finish, and then you take out the SD card from here and you put it into your computer, and you transfer all this data onto your new micro SD, and you put it into the new system. So it says the Nintendo DSiWare will now be moved to the system memory. Use a PC to copy the contents of the SD card containing the source system's Nintendo DSiWare data to the micro SD card, and then reinsert it to the system. So once you've finished copying all of your files from one SD card to the other micro SD card, all of your DSiWare, if you have any, and other files start getting downloaded to the system from the new micro SD card. Alright, good news! The system transfer is complete, and it has the same exact setup as I left on my other system, so everything is in the exact same order. I have my theme going on in the background. This is great. This is really, really awesome. So all of the Mii's transferred over as well from the Street Pass Plaza, which is really awesome. Looks like play coins even transfer, your puzzle pieces, your travelers met, all of that good stuff. It really seems to be a complete transfer. So your personal Mii is kept intact, all of your steps, all the titles that you've played in your software library are also intact as well, which is pretty awesome. I was a little worried about that for a second, but it turned out to be great. Alright, and that concludes the tutorial. That is how you transfer from your old Nintendo 3DS to the new 3DS XL. Thanks for watching, guys.